These low-income preschool kids in India are playing games, but they're also learning math. Researchers from India and the United States designed these games in the hopes of closing the education gap between rich and poor kids in India and around the world.
Key problems that children face when they reach the middle of primary schools is that the curriculum is such that teachers are compelled to teach to the top of the classrooms because the curriculums are very demanding.
Over time, kids who are a little bit behind become further and further behind.
And as a result, what happens very quickly in primary school is kids get lost, they stop paying attention, they get promoted from class to class, and they reach the end of primary school with essentially very little knowledge.
These games are designed to help put rich and poor kids on the same level when they first hit the classroom.
We designed 2 different sets of games for kids to play. The main intervention was a set of math games where kids were encouraged to exercise their intuitive abilities in number and geometry.
The kids loved the games, but did they work?
And we found that children who had played the math games had significant improvements in their intuitive concepts of mathematics, both geometry and number comparisons. They also showed some improvement even in symbolic skills, such as recognizing numbers and things like that.
The researchers also learned that there are simple, inexpensive ways to give disadvantaged kids new skills.
The kinds of activities that we developed for children in India are just the kinds of activities that excite children in Cambridge, Massachusetts.
The downside is that those gains didn't necessarily translate to the classroom, perhaps because of the differences between game learning and classroom learning. The researchers are now working on innovative ways to solve that problem. Kevin Enochs, VOA News.